565 species in genus Saxifraga. Saxifraga, my love affair with the stonebreakers. The world of plants is vast and diverse, filled with wonders that never cease to amaze me. But among the countless genera and species that grace our planet, there's one that holds a special place in my heart. Saxifraga from the Saxifragaceae family. These resilient, often overlooked plants, commonly known as saxifrages or rockfoils, have captivated me with their tenacity, their intricate beauty, and their remarkable adaptability. As a plant enthusiast, I'm constantly drawn to the unique and the unexpected. Saxifraga, with its penchant for thriving in seemingly inhospitable environments, certainly fits the bill. The name itself, derived from the Latin words saxum, rock, and frangere, to break, hints at their hardiness. They're often found clinging to rocky cliffs, nestled in crevices, or even sprouting from cracks in walls, seemingly defying the odds. This resilience, this ability to flourish where others falter, is something I find truly inspiring. But it's not just their toughness that I admire. Saxifraga also boasts a remarkable diversity in form and appearance. From the delicate, mossy cushions of Saxifraga exorentii to the tall, elegant spires of Saxifraga paniculata, the genus offers a stunning array of textures, colors, and growth habits. Their flowers, often appearing in delicate clusters, can range from pure white to vibrant pinks and reds, adding a touch of unexpected beauty to their rugged surroundings. A closer look at Saxifraga. To truly appreciate Saxifraga, one must delve into the specifics. The genus encompasses a staggering number of species, each with its own unique characteristics. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Does Saxifraga bloom all summer? Saxifraga has been a delightful addition to my garden, blooming profusely throughout the summer months. The delicate flowers add a splash of color and charm to my landscape, and I love how they continue to bloom for an extended period, bringing continuous beauty to my outdoor space. Watching them thrive and bloom all summer long has been a joyous experience for me. Is Saxifraga deer resistant? Living in an area where deer frequently roam, I can confidently say that Saxifraga is indeed deer resistant. Despite the occasional visits from these curious creatures, my Saxifraga plants have remained untouched and undisturbed. This resilience to deer browsing has made Saxifraga a valuable asset in my garden, providing both beauty and peace of mind. Are Saxifraga poisonous to dogs? As a pet owner, I understand the importance of ensuring the safety of our furry companions. After doing some research and consulting with my veterinarian, I discovered that Saxifraga can indeed be toxic to dogs if ingested in large quantities. While my own dog hasn't shown any interest in nibbling on the plants, I take precautions to keep them out of his reach, just to be safe. Does Saxifraga spread? Saxifraga has a moderate spreading habit, gradually forming dense clumps over time. I've observed this tendency in my own garden, where the plants have slowly expanded their reach, filling in gaps and creating lush patches of foliage and flowers. While it's not overly aggressive, it does spread enough to provide good ground cover and fill in bare spots effectively. How long does Saxifraga bloom? The blooming period of Saxifraga typically lasts several weeks, usually from late spring to early summer. However, with proper care and maintenance, you can extend the bloom time even further, allowing you to enjoy their delicate flowers for an even longer duration. I've found that deadheading spent blooms and providing regular watering and fertilization helps prolong the flowering season. How to grow Saxifraga? Growing Saxifraga is relatively straightforward, requiring well-draining soil, ample sunlight, and regular watering. I've had the most success planting them in rock gardens or alpine beds, where they can thrive in the rocky, nutrient-poor soil. Their compact growth habit makes them ideal for smaller spaces or containers, adding interest and beauty to patios, balconies, or windowsills. How to propagate Saxifraga? Propagation of Saxifraga can be done through division or by taking stem or leaf cuttings. I've personally had success with both methods, although I find division to be the easiest and most reliable option. Simply dig up established clumps in the spring or fall, carefully separate the individual plants, and replant them in desired locations or containers. Within a few weeks, they'll establish themselves and start growing vigorously. When to plant Saxifraga? For optimal growth and establishment, It's best to plant Saxifraga in the spring or fall when temperatures are mild and the soil is workable. This allows the plants to acclimate gradually and establish strong root systems before facing harsh weather conditions. I've found that planting them during these times ensures better survival rates and faster growth, giving them a head start for the upcoming growing season. Can you grow Saxifraga in a pot? Yes, Saxifraga can be grown in pots and containers, making them versatile options for both indoor and outdoor spaces. I've successfully grown them in various containers, from small pots on my windowsill to larger planters on my patio. Just make sure to use well-draining potting soil and provide adequate sunlight and water, and your Saxifraga will thrive in its container home. Is Saxifraga poisonous to cats? As with dogs, Saxifraga can also be toxic to cats if ingested in large quantities. While my own feline friend hasn't shown any interest in the plants, I still take precautions to keep them out of her reach, just to be safe. Placing them in elevated locations or using deterrents can help prevent curious cats from nibbling on the foliage, ensuring their safety while still enjoying the beauty of Saxifraga in my home.